Student, today we will discuss about our today's topic. Our today's topic is individual and society from Unit 2. Let's start the notes. Society. Here, society means society is the subject matter of the study of sociology. Society is the subject matter of the study of the subject of sociology. From birth to death, every person is a participant in society. All over the world, from birth to still death, every person is a participant of his own society. Man is generally described as a social animal. It is not possible for an individual to live without society. Understand? This is the main basic theme of or basic definition of society. Now, individual. Individual means individual is a unit of society. All individual is a unit of society. Individual lives in as a society after having been born in it. After having born, all individual lives in a society. Individual is a such unit of the society that he or she cannot live without society. An individual cannot live without his own society. Now, some sociologists gives us some definitions of society. They are, according to Ginsberg, a society is a collection of individuals united by certain relations or modes of behavior which mark them off from others who do not enter into these relations or who differ from them in behavior. Here, all relationships or relations of an individual and all behavior of an individual includes in a society because individual lives in a society. Society is a collection of individuals united by some certain relations or some modes of behavior which mark them from others who do not enter into these relations or who differ from in behavior. Understand? This is the views of Ginsberg. Now, another sociologist, according to McIver, society is a system of uses and produce authority and mutual aid of many groupings and divisions of control of human behavior and liberties. According to McIver described that society is a system of uses and it produces authority. Society produces authority and mutual aid of many people's group and divisions of control. Society always control the human behavior and liberties. This is the two definitions of society.